Hello, today we will guide you through how to use the pen tool for masking in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to jump into a project and begin working with masking tools. If this is your first time using masks, don't worry. The pen tool is especially useful when you want to trace around a subject or object more precisely than with basic mask shapes. Next, open a sample project. This gives you a timeline and workspace where you can practice the masking process. Using a sample project is helpful because it lets you focus on learning the tool without needing to build a full edit from scratch first. After that, drag the sample video into your project. Make sure the clip is placed correctly in the timeline so you can select and edit it. This is the footage you'll be applying the mask to, so it's important that the video is active and visible in the preview window. Now click on the sample video in the timeline. This step is important because CapCut needs the clip to be selected before it shows you the editing options related to that specific piece of media. If you don't select the clip first, the mask controls may not appear. Once the clip is selected, click on Mask at the top right. This opens the masking panel, where CapCut gives you different ways to isolate parts of your video. Masks are useful for hiding, revealing, or emphasizing certain areas of a clip, and the pen tool gives you the most control when the shape is irregular. From there, click on Add Mask. This creates a new mask layer for the selected clip and prepares it for editing. At this point, you're just one step away from drawing your custom shape. Now click on Pen, then begin drawing by following the object you want to mask. As you trace around the subject, try to stay close to its edges for a cleaner result. Take your time here, since accuracy makes a big difference in how natural the mask looks. If needed, work slowly and carefully around curves or detailed areas. The goal is to create a shape that matches the object as closely as possible. And that's how to use the pen tool for masking in CapCut. Once you've outlined your object, you'll have a custom mask that can help you create more polished and professional looking edits.